winter. Tired of the rain and the cold. No astro for weeks. I think it's time to pack up and head north and see if we can find some clear skies. The plan is to go far enough north to get out of the rain and clouds. The Bureau of Meteorology has been reporting that Kew, a small town about 650 kilometres to the north, is looking to be clearer than Perth. It's a semi-arid area with less rainfall than here. If we went further north, then the chances of clear weather are better, but we only have 4 days, so Kew is it. The Caravan Park is reportedly pretty good, and due to the small size of the town, the light pollution should not be bad. There are less than 200 residents, but there are a few mines outside of town. Mines are often a source of light pollution, so this will be a location survey as well. According to Google Maps, it's 667 kilometres the way I plan to go. Have to make sure we don't fall a kilometre short and meet old Nick on the side of the road. You can see from the map that we transition from the green agricultural region in the southwest of the state to the red mining and pastoral region. The two regions are roughly delineated by the rabbit-proof fence, which we'll cross on the way. As you can see, Kew is pretty small and mostly obscured by bushes. I didn't have the right footwear to go rock hopping to get a better picture. No commitment, I guess. Okay, so this is the bit where I officially complain. The weather has not turned out as predicted. Come up here to sort of semi-arid land because the Willy Weather and Bureau of Meteorology said it should be sunny, little bit of cloud, blah blah blah, and the nights that were supposed to be cloudy have had clear patches. I could have set a telescope up, and the nights, it hasn't worked out. Tomorrow night was supposed to be very good, but now is looking to be clouded in. It's cold, it's rainy, but here you go. Having said that, Caravan Park's good, facility's good, that's the laundry and everything there. Was refurbished 8 years ago. It's getting a little sort of second-hand and tired, but everything's neat and clean. Easily come in and stay here again. And one of the other advantages is that you get a seniors discount here, and it's not expensive in the first place. That night finally turned up clear with some clouds scheduled to roll in later, so I set a telescope up and did some astro. This is a rig I use for a quick bit of astrophotography, which is why we went in the first place. For anyone that's interested, it's my SV Boney ED80 cheapo 80mm refractor. I'm using a focal length reducer to get a bigger field of view. The mount is my ZWO AM5, which is much lighter and more compact than my old HEQ5 mount and is perfect for travel. Camera is a ZWO ASI294MC with a Bada light pollution filter. I don't know why I bothered with the filter. On this trip I used the ZWO carbon fibre tripod, not the bigger, heavier Skywatcher tripod in this photo. The target for the night was NGC 6188, also known as the Rim Nebula or the Dragons of Ara. I got 181-minute exposures before high clouds rolled in. I'll show 2 images from the same data, one with the natural processing I normally do, and one a bit more extreme to show some of the features better. The next morning it was time to go. The weather was lovely. We filled up at the roadhouse and headed off south with an 8-hour drive ahead of us. Clouds or no clouds, it's been a nice break, but I wish I'd been able to get more telescope time in. Maybe next time.
Yeah, so you get these 4 trailer road trains up here. This one is full of explosives, ammonium nitrate, and we've seen 2 others with the ammonium nitrate bag just left. Yep, so we're off home today. 80 to Mount Magnet, 223 to Paynes Find, and 650 to Perth. So with another 4 or 5 hours driving to go, I think I'll sign off here at Paynes Find and just concentrate on getting home. Look, she's lost. So see you later.
So one question I have is, first of all, I don't know what kind of doctors she took the child to. There are a lot of obviously fringe doctors out there, fringe labs. And why would they have tested him for antimony oil thing? So that's curious. Saying it was in the 97th percentile doesn't really tell us much either.